it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to today's video. So I have another haul for you. This one was actually filmed before my computer died. So this one was from like the 1st of March, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you now. You're going to see one more haul after this, and then that's done with the shopping for a while. I do plan on picking up the new release from Hello Bluebird. I think they just released their background stamps at the end of March, but I believe they're coming out with a new release at the end of April. So that will probably be all I buy going forward for the next little bit. So yeah, so this haul is a little bit older, but I still hope you enjoy, and I'll talk to you real soon. So, like I mentioned in my intro, I actually have a little haul, some from Simon Says Stamp and some from Scrapbookpal. So let's start with Scrapbookpal. First, mini glue dots. I love mini glue dots. I use them a lot, and I have been out. So you can buy them on the roll, or you can buy them via sheets. I just prefer the rolls. It's easier for me, but this is what they look like. They're little bitty. And yeah, so that's the first thing I got. The second thing I picked up was some nibs. One of my markers, the nib, I think there's something wrong with it. So I just picked up a pack of nibs, and yeah, nibs. And then I picked up the rest of my markers for my collection. So I had one random YR000 that I missed out, and then I got all of the neutral grays and the fluorescents. So I have completed, where is my chart? I just had it. So with these markers, I have completed my marker collection. So do you need all of these markers? No. Did I need all these markers? No. But I sure did want them, so I got them. And then I also got two more of the Nuvo Aqua Shimmer. These are the ones that I already have. Yeah, glitter gloss. So this is the kind of clear ones. I needed those, and I will work on this in a minute, and I'll show you how I do that. And then from Simon Says Stamp, I've picked up a few things for birthday cards. I realized I don't have a whole lot of birthday card images or sentiment, so I picked up a little bit. So the first is this one from Gina K. Birthday wishes to you. You make me happy. Thank you so much. So glad we're friends. I think this is like a little $6 stamp. Fancy greetings, and I thought it would work really well for just having some sentiments. I feel like sentiments are always necessary, and I don't feel like I have very many of them. Let me scooch out just a little bit. So this is a Unicorn Birthday Anya by the Greeting Farm. I think this one's new. Don't quote me. There's no date. But anyway, hugs, kisses, and birthday wishes. Of course, she has a unicorn. There's a shopping bag. There's a cake. You get a cupcake, a present, and then a magic wand. I just thought this would be really cute. You guys know I love the Greeting Farm images, and so I went ahead and picked this up. They also have digital images that you can buy straight from their site if that's something that you might be interested in. So yeah, there's that. I picked up this one from Darcy's. You guys know I love Darcy's. This is the one. I limited myself to one. And this is, I think this is a squirrel. It just says choose happy. So things will get better. You'll see, choose happy. The greater the storm, the brighter the rainbow. And I really got it because I love this kind of peeking. I think this is a squirrel. We're going to go with squirrel for now. And then I loved the balloon and the little party hat. So I thought this would be cute. And there are going to be other sentiments that will fit into this stamp set. So I'll pick that up. This is from Sweet and Sassy Stamps. So I've never really heard of them before. It says Corin Sutherland Designs. And I was like, they had some samples, and I loved the one they did with this font. I love this font. And you get the balloons, you get some confetti, but I love the big, bold sentiments. Then from Crafter's Companion, this is, what's it called? paw prints. So it comes with the stamp and it comes with the die. So the way it cuts is it cuts on the sides. So you have the one that cuts this way, you have the one that cuts this way, and then you want to have cuts this way. So we'll definitely be playing with this, and you can see it on the back. So it does like half a card or a cutout, and I'm like, okay, that's going to be so much fun. So this is definitely one that I was interested in. This is from the Craft Consortium. I can never say that. Yeah, Consortium. And they had a really cute nativity that I really wanted this past Christmas, and I never picked it up. So I went ahead and got this. And so it comes colored, but it's this doggy stamp. So there's a present with a dog, 2 dogs, and a cat, some florals. You get 3 different sentiments. You get this nice big balloon, and then you get the presents. Let's see if you can. There you can kind of see what it looks like. So they have the coloring on the acetate, so you can actually see the stamp. So I thought that was really fun. And these aren't very expensive at all. I don't have a invoice where I would show you, but yeah, there's that. I did pick up a couple of Christmas sets. I know you're going, Misty, it's not Christmas. I know. I picked up this one. This is last year's Holiday Anya. So this is a Holiday Anya 8. I didn't pick her up this last Christmas, so I went ahead and get her now. She's dressed up and ready to go, and it just says cheers. And then this one, oh my gosh, was so stinking cute. The only reason why I saw this is because your next stamp is, I have a paper pad of theirs. That's the plaid. I have it like right handy. Of course I don't. Do I? No. Anyway, I have a pad of their plaid paper, and I love it so much. So I went to see if they had any more plaid paper, and then I stumbled upon the stamp. I saw this and I thought this was just so cute. Again, I wasn't even looking for it. I was looking at their paper, but yeah, really cute. Love. It's going to be so fun to create with this one. And then last but not least is some paper. Memory Box came out with some plaids, and you guys know how I feel about plaid. Ooh, this has rose gold. Ooh, that's pretty. So double-sided. This is really pretty. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So pretty. And then I picked up the Slim Sheets, which, y'all, I am loving the companies that are bringing out paper like this because they're a bit smaller rather than cutting down 12 by 12, which you could do, but sometimes 12 by 12 patterns are a bit bigger. So yeah, but that's it. That's the short little haul. Let me show you how I do this. So I printed this hex chart onto my regular paper that I use. Did I really already have this color? I swear I've done that like 5 times now. So I've already had this color, so I bought 2 of them. It's just so light. Oh wait, no, that's 000. I'm a dodo bird. No, I am a dodo bird. It was supposed to be 000. God dang it, Misty. Okay, so anyway, so I got some of the kind of fluorescence. So this one is FYR1, which is this. Oh yeah, that's definitely fluorescent. FRV1. So this will live with my YRs. This is going to live with my RVs. This one's gonna live with my yellows. And then this one is gonna live with my YGs. So I printed this 2 size. For the grays, I scaled it up by 25%. And then I'm just storing these in a sheet protector. So I have to find a new spot for these. See what happens. So I bought some blacks and I bought, so this is 110, which is a black. And 9. And it's 7, and you can see I got out of the lines a little bit. I'm very shaky, I don't know. Maybe you guys can't tell, but I'm having a shaky day. In 2. This really is a neutral. You can really see it with the cool, between the cool and the warm. You can definitely tell that it's a neutral gray. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. No question of the day today because my brain's a little rattled because of getting vaccinated tomorrow. So I need to go coordinate how I'm gonna get there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.